Today we read Amos 1 through 5. We're on day 192 of the Bible recap. It's easy to read this and think, well, those horrible people not following God. He warned them, and they had all these prophets, and they didn't listen. But honestly, is this not us today too? We roll our eyes when people say Jesus is coming back soon, or God forbid anyone call us out on our sin. Have mercy on us, Lord. Would you respond in worship with me today with a short chorus of the words from Psalm 51? Have mercy on me, O God. Have mercy on me, O God, according to your steadfast love, according to your great compassion. Blot out my many transgressions, wash away all my iniquity, cleanse me from sin. Have mercy on me, O God, according to your steadfast love, according to your great compassion. Blot out my many transgressions, wash away all my iniquity, cleanse me from sin. King David knew that right relationship with the Lord was going to be the thing. Let us not forget it. It's only through God's mercy. Thank you for joining me today in this short little chorus of worship. I am Debbie Byrd, and I'll see you tomorrow.